Oh fuck. Kia ora whānau. Today, me and the bro Hunter.
Hi.
We're just going to go for a little bit of a camp up in the whirinaki. We're going to be hiking, camping, cooking our food on the fire, and just having a good time.
Yeah, there.
Yep. Well, that's us. We're going to be racing in the dark, so we'll see you on the track. Cheers.
Purutia te tāuru o te rangi, kia tīna, kia whena, kia toka te manawara, whakamaua kia tīna, tīna aumie uie.
Taiki. Let's go.
Let's go.
Start walking. Check us. I'm not puffing, you are. How are you feeling, Coo?
Mickey tiki.
Check out where we are. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, there's a deer. Nah. Here we go. Here we go. Whangatawhia, or Skip's hut. Oh well, we just arrived to Skip's hut. Yeah, just have a quick stop here and then try and make our way to Roger's hut. Fucking look at that. Let's go have a look inside, eh? What a beautiful place, man. Well, so this is the intentions book.
21st.
21st of June.
21st of June.
Sure. Intentions done. 21st of June. Then we've got another 1.5 hours to get to Rogers. The bro reckons we can do it in 40 minutes. Fuck off. Nah, yeah, that's us then. Oh, that's us. Heading to Rogers. It'll probably be pretty dark by the time we get there, but it's a real nice right now. It has sunset over the hills. Everything's sort of going all golden. It's pretty cool. Might have been walking for about an hour, but we're nearly there. We're on our last K. Saw one deer and we heard another one, but didn't see it. But yeah, it's gonna be good to see that hut, man. Oh, here we are, finally. Wow, look at that. Oh well, we're at Roger's hut now. This place is cool. Back in the day, heaps of deer cullers actually built this hut out of native timber. I think it is a historical hut because Doc has to maintain it to the standard that it was built. Now, whoever built this place would have had to bring all their tools in here, mill all the timber out of big massive trees, and then yeah, build it. Well, we gotta start getting our fireplace pumping and get some kai going. So yeah. Here's our wood shed. So grab some wood. I was hoping that there would be some logs because he's too scared. Try to find the dry stuff and then yeah, hopefully get our fire pumping. Snap that off. Ouch, fuck.
That was a shock.
No, it came back on me. Setting up our fire. I think that's our little fire setup. Hopefully it goes.
Hopefully the wood ain't all shit. 3 solid ones.
Check that out, funny.
We'll get our bread all made up. We'll probably add these.
Cards and a fire. It's like the 2 coolest things. Bed's all set up. The outdoor boys style bread that I'm gonna make. Then mix it up in the bag and hopefully we got a dough. All mixed up. Now we just gotta let it rise for an hour or something. Look, well, this stuff has milk powder in it, so. Oh, fuck!
Fuck, did it get you? Did it get you? Fuck! Fuck, that's good.
I had Tim Tams in the truck.
Watch out, G, it's gonna fucking break. Yummy.
Look at that. Look at that. Big fat caps. Heaps of intramuscular fat. Garlic, salts and herbs. Chuck it on both sides.
I can just hold it.
Oh, fuck.
Ooh, shit. Stir that shit around. Nice, G. Woohoo!
Steak cooking.
Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. And chuck some tallow in there, bitch.
Well, our dough's been going for about an hour. So, yeah, I'll try and tip it out and put it on the tin foil and chuck it straight in the fire.
Turn it over, eh?
I'm just going to put some holes in it too, just so some air can get out.
Woo! Oh, stoke it first. Oh, yeah, that's all good.
Just gotta wash my hands in the river.
Oh! Oh! Wait, surely it's cooked in there. Still needs.
Oh! Oh, like straight dough in the middle.
Oh, fuck, all good, huh? Here we go. This is gonna be the lucky piece. There we go. Butter. Boom. Right there.
Oh, steak.
Boom. Fat. Steak. All in one. Let's go. Holy fuck. Good Friday.
Look at that. Perfect. You can put those aces down.
No, I'm tap out.
Oh, you're dumber. No, finished our night off with heaps of cards and played this mean ass coin rugby game that I've never played before. It's fucking mean. Yeah, I'm gonna head off to bed now. I'll see you in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Morena. We had a mean sleep. It was quiet as, warm as too. We didn't even have the fire on. Yeah, now we're just gonna make us a brew, and then yeah, we'll get into a bit of breakfast. But check this out. Look at that. It's beautiful. There's Te Wairoa there. Nothing better than waking up in a place like this, eh?
You want to put these on like as the two things beside?
Kind of ran out of gas, so gonna try and cook our breakfast out on this fire. Should be going. It's getting cold, eh?
Mm.
About to jump in. Findies off.
Okay.
So watch. Woo! That was so refreshing.
Holy fuck!
Oh well, we're pretty much all packed up, and then we've given it a good clean, left it better than we found it. So yeah, about to hit the tracks, but it's a beautiful stay at Roger's hut. Keen has to come back again. Ready, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Time to put some boots on the ground. Looks slow today.
Yeah.
We've got heaps of time. Tū whānau, we're all finished out back here at the Ōkahu Road end. Oh, that was a mean mish. But yeah, now we're happy as. Gonna jump in that truck and go straight to the Murupara Bakery. Oh well, thank you for watching. If you like these sort of things, give us a like. If not, all good. Cheer! Shot for that mish.